In here, we calculate the exponent of the rating, beta, for this narrow rectangular drainage channel. The bottom width is 0.3 meters. The flow depth is 1.2 meters. The Manning's end is 0.015. The bottom slope is 0.005. We use the calculator online channel 15B in ponds.sdsu.edu. The results are: we note that the value of beta for this narrow channel is beta equal 1.273, and the Vedernikov number when the channel is flowing full is V equal 0.098. This low value of Vedernikov number confirms that this narrow channel is stable.